Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download various types of air pollutants from European Commission website. As you know, this website is provided the air pollutants emission globally and we can download them. However, the main problem is that they are in the format of netcdf and we need to change them to raster file for our usage. Okay, let's start. For the first time, you have to come to this website that I will provide its link in the caption of this video. From the website, we can go to the emission data and maps. From here, we have archive datasets. From archive datasets, we come a little down and we can see air pollutants and also two different packages that are available here. One is from 1917 to 2018, and also the other one from 1970 to 2015. I'm gonna go to the recent one. From the recent one, we can see a brief introduction related to these different types of pollutants. From here, we can see ozone, organic, and also different types of pollutants, or for example, primary particulates. From here we can see CO or NOx, CH4 and blah blah. In order to download these dataset, we have two types of them. That one is related to as a CSV format, and you can use them in other softwares in order to do further analysis. The other one that I'm interested in downloading them is related to annual grid maps, and these are very useful, but as I said before, they are in a netcdf format and we need to change them to the raster format. Okay, as I said before, I'm gonna go to this one. And also another one is related. The difference between this there, it's that this includes all the sectors, I mean from sectors, pollution resources. This means that maybe this one includes industrial sectors and also population or whatever. This one is included all of the sectors. It could be industrial sectors, population increase, cars and whatever. I'm gonna use this one. By clicking on that, we can see various types of pollutants that are available here. For example, you can, depends on your usage, you can choose one of them. For example, for me, this one is good because it's one of the primary and also important pollutants. Okay, from gallery, we can see different, let's say, information here. We can see that it's netcdf and also we have a text one. And down we can see different overview of the maps provided by this package, and also I'm interested in downloading this one, netcdf one. You can define a, let's say, a folder for that one, depends on user. It's gonna take a while in order to download that one. Okay, we can see here various types of pollutants that are available here, and we can download them which one we are interested. As I said before, they are in netcdf format. I need to change them to raster format, raster layer. In order to do this, I'm gonna use ArcGIS. Depending on your usage, you can choose other softwares. From search, I'm gonna come to the tool, and from tool I'm searching for netcdf raster layer. From this one, I'm gonna choose one of the dataset that I have from here. Okay, you can see that from 1970 they are available until 2018. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm not gonna change anything here, and so variable you can see that it's emission PM2.5, and by clicking on this on OK, you can see a global map of PM2.5 that are available for our usage. Depends on your usage, you can choose a different specific area and use them. I hope that the content of this video will be useful for you. In this video I cover how to download various types of pollutants from European Commission websites that I will provide its link in the caption of this video. Thank you very much for your attention.